So we need Ngrok to move forward. Ngrok is a secure tunneling software which establishes secure proxy connections. So we'll be using both Metasploit and Ngrok to get into Windows and Android devices. So this is the Ngrok website here. Go through the website, and first we need to sign up. If you already have an account in Ngrok, you can log in with it, but let's start with first. I will be signing up. Enter your name, email, confirmation mail, password and everything. Create a new user account, or you can do with sign up with GitHub or Google. After signing up, you will be receiving an authentication token. This is the dashboard of Ngrok. Press on auth, AUTH, authentication. This is the steps to how to download and set up our Ngrok in Android or any Linux. So here this given is our authentication token. We'll be copying it. And after that, go to download. In download a Linux ARM for Android. Wait for the download to complete. As you can see, it is downloaded. This is a zip file. If your mobile device doesn't have a unzip software, you can download WinRAR. Now do unzip. As you can see, it is in my downloads directory. Now come to termux. In termux, this is good practice to do update and upgrade first in termux to keep your packages up to date. But I have already kept it up to date, so I'll be moving on to downloads directory. ls. You can see the files I have in this. The only thing we'll be taking care of it is Ngrok stable Linux ARM. Go into that directory. Now let us see the files inside it. There is only one file, Ngrok. Now we'll be moving our Ngrok to our termux home directory so that we can access it through our home directory instead of moving it to SD card and downloads. So this is the command for that, mv ngrok home. So Ngrok is copied to our home directory and Ngrok is removed in our downloads directory. Now we'll create a new session. Now you can see our Ngrok is present in our home directory. We haven't moved to any downloads directory or anything. So now let us give permissions to Ngrok, chmod +x Ngrok. This gives us more permissions to Ngrok directory. Now if you do ls, you can see the color of Ngrok folder is different now. It is in green color. So the permissions are set for Ngrok. Now we'll be running Ngrok. So the Ngrok is working fine. You can see the description, version and everything. These are the commands which we can use on par with Ngrok. So we'll be pasting our authentication token which we have copied before. Oh, I did a mistake here. No command $ found. Okay, I have again given a $, there. So remove the $ and again enter it. See, as you can see, the authentication is saved to our configuration file. So now our account is linked with this Ngrok package. Now we'll be running our Ngrok. Ngrok HTTP 80. It is a port number. As you can see, it is working fine. If you can see the same kind of output as me, then it is working fine. In the next videos, I'll be telling you how to use Metasploit and Ngrok to hack Windows and mobile devices. You can do many things with Ngrok. Actually, you can do even phishing, create a fake websites and get passwords from your friends. So this is what a Ngrok output looks like. So see you in the next video.